all they do. Want to make sure got on $25, man. I want straight 4 plate, straight $45.
Oh, that's too much weight to take off, put back on. It's stuck now.
Hey.
If you think about it, right, it's just more.
So that first one, that's a plate. You got quarters. That'll be over 1 plate. And then he's got gravity against him the further you go out with him.
At the end of the day, you still swing. It looks good on you, be honest with you.
I don't care, man. I love lifting heavy.
Let's go. Light. Up. 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 Come on. Go!
There we go.
Go! Up! Yup! 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 Woo! Right into it. Come on. Right into it. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. How's that weight, Jimmy? You want to do more weight? Here we go. Come on! Oh, yeah. Yup! Come on! Up! Up! Big up! Big up! Yup! Yup! We'll drop. Get ready for a drop. Here we go. Come on. Oh. Yeah. 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 Come on. Yeah. Woo. Up, up, yup, yup, yup. I think he's got one more in it. He's got one more in it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, nice, brother.
Read my mind. That's what I was gonna do. Power set, baby.
There you go.
Come on.
Woo! Hey! 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 Hop! Hop! Nice. Right there, homeboy. Yeah. Jimmy, you can give him a drop on this, man, if you want. So we'll go from, I think we're at 14 or 12. Next set would be 17. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up. Bring your grip in a little closer for this set. There we go. right, come on. Yep. 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 Yeah. You got any room left on that stack?
Nope.
Here we go. Only one way to go.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Come on.
Ah! Come on, buddy.
Oh, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ooh!
Woo!
Ah!
All right, last one right here. Then we pull that fascia apart. Come on.
There you go. Come on.
Yep. All right. Well, you still got some grip power left.
And we are fully in the Jonathan Davis birthday weekend. It's been so much fun.
You gotta
You're
grow,
hearing
baby.
Every half an hour, you're also hearing from Ed himself, Jonathan himself, all the members of the board, and this is going on.
Come on, big guy.
Stretch it out.
Pull it up.
Big stretch. Hey. Big stretch. 2, 1, up. Woof. One more. There you go. Go ahead and rep. Go ahead and rep if you got it. Yep. Yep. What's up? Whole fucking barn right there. Woof. Boo. Yeah. All right, let's get back to work.
Leg it sideways with this angle right here.
Yep.
That you actually get the stretch
Yep.
and the squeeze.
Yep.
A lot of stiff deads are good only if you're not heavy squatting. Heavy squatting is already core building. So what you want to do to minimize that is actually take stiff deads out or keep it to a minimum.
Pick one or the other.
Yeah, pick one or the other.
Gotcha, brother. That's good advice, homeboy.
So if you really want to keep the core tight, like I tell people, always wear your belt. Always wear your belt.